What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Roy's Customs. My name is Roy, and today I'm just going to kind of update you on what's been going on with the Zx2 project. Not a whole lot, but I have got a little bit done. I did get the roof done, and a bird pooped on it already, so good times. And I did just finish up the trunk. I got to put the spoiler back on. I already got the rear reflector back on already, but I did get that done and that done. So I'm not going to mess with the spoiler because I am going to do something different with the spoiler, but I will have to put it back on to plug the holes until I can get a welder and fill the holes in. So anyways, I'm just going to kind of walk you around here real quick and just kind of show you what I've been doing and what I've got done. I did do a little bit more work over on the other side. I did finally get that finished up. Finally, it is done. It is smoothed out. I do have everything. I do need to sand it down though, but I did get it done last night and it feels fantastic. All it needs is a little bit of sanding and then primering and it'll be done. Okay, now this doesn't look very good, but I did do some more work on the side skirt. It should be just about ready for hand sanding. I'll get it knocked down real quick with the, I probably gonna go ahead and use some 80 grit to do that in a big hurry, and then I will change over to the sanding block and I will do a little bit of filling here and there as needed and hand sand block to get that done. So anyways, there's the trunk all finished up, and I really don't like using rattle can because of this number here. As you can see what it does, awful lot of overspray. It's kind of nasty. I don't really like it, but it'll be fine because it's getting another primer coat, and I finished up the roof. Got that taken care of, even though it's got some nasty overspray too. But like I say, I'm doing another coat. This is just the base primer coat. So anyways, there you have that. And the roof is done. And now the rest of the car is finished. The only thing really left is the side skirts. And then the end caps. There and there. And then in the front, finish up the end cap there on the side skirts. So anyways, all in all, it does look like a whole different creature than what it started out as. As far as wheels and tires, I'm not really sure what direction I'm going to be able to go. So anyways, when it comes down to wheels and tires, it's going to be kind of up in the air. I've been kind of looking around on Facebook, see if I can find anything dirt cheap to work with and stuff like that, because, you know, budget. So anyways, I'm probably going to work on it a little bit more tonight. Right now I got to run over to a friend's house. Got some stuff to do over there. As you know, I was gone to Indy for like a week and a couple days. I did get that taken care of. I was going to bring footage and stuff, but the garage that I was working in, I had to literally use a table lamp for a light, and so I didn't want to mess with that, fighting with the lighting. And my phone is kind of on the fritz, so in order to do like live stuff, I don't know, my phone's just been acting goofy. I dropped it again for like the umpteenth time, and finally I guess it said enough was enough, and I can still get phone calls and I can kind of talk to text, but that's about it. The other functions, it's the screen's so messed up I can't get to half of the stuff on my phone. But anyways, there you have it. That's my little update and on the car. So anyways, like I say, the spoiler, I'm going to do something different, so I'm not even going to bother wasting the primer on it. So it's going to look a little goofy for a while having the factory color spoiler on the primer gray car. And anyways, tonight and tomorrow I'll probably work on the side skirts a little, getting them smoothed out much better and getting them much closer to done. Like I say, I don't have a whole lot of body filler to work with, but I can make do with what I got and do what I can with what I got. And then I gotta finish up cutting up scrap and stuff and getting it ready for Monday. Monday I'll have to get up and go to the scrap yard, haul some scrap off, and then see what kind of money I got there, because I'll have to send some more money to support. But other than that, we'll see what happens on Monday. So anyways, I may do a little bit of an update tomorrow or something, or whatever, but anyhow, I sure do appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate all the new subscribers I got, and I appreciate my old subscribers too. So anyways, I sure appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notifications, leave comments down below, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.